Hello, welcome to my PLC Basic course. So today we will learn about basic latch, unlatch, ONS, OSR, OSF function, one shot rise, one shot filing, one shot. So okay, let's start. So up and rung, repeat this for, oh sorry, up and rung, repeat this 2 times more or 3 times more. And wrong, yes, we have five wrongs, so okay, just click this bit, copy this, you can control C, control V, just drag and drop this again, control C, control V. Okay, so now just click here, output latch, okay, output unlatch. Okay, so here the one shot and coil. Okay, output. Now let's add OSR block and add OSF block. One shot filing, one shot rising. Okay, so we have everything. So now we can. Okay, so now we can add some inputs. So drag this input here, 0, 1. Okay, let's give it 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, we have 5 inputs. Okay, let's add some output. 0, 1, 0, 3, 4. Okay, let's add some bits. So add this bit, let's okay, let's add here this bit. Okay, we have one, okay, everything, let's verify it. We have error, oh yeah, we don't. So okay, we have everything, let's verify it. Okay, it's working. Okay, so do load this program to device. Okay, okay, do you want to go? Yes, I wanna. Now click run. Okay, so we can just watch this. So okay, let's toggle this bit. Let's change to this input to 1. Like you can see that this input equals 1, 2. So let's toggle this bit, or this bit still equals 1. So this this input basically. So now we need to reset it manually. Okay. So toggle this bit. This bit don't do nothing. So let's toggle this bit one more time. So let's write to 1. So now we can enlarge this bit by doing this. Oh yes, so it's working. So now just set once. So like you see, this one time this bit, this output was one time on, true, and this bit is still 4, is still on. It's only a shadow one time, one cycle. Okay, so it's working. So now to another function. So I can see storage bit equals input bit, and output bit was just one time on. You can see this, but it's fast. Just all this. When you can see when it's rising, go to one cycle. So now this is the reverse function of this previous function. So now it's 1, and now it will be 1. You see? Oh,